If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error 400, don't worry, in this video I'll show you the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account or reload the site normally. This is a simple troubleshooting method, and in many cases the issue is caused by a bad cache, cookies, an extension conflict, or a VPN connection interfering with the page. So if X is giving you the 400 error, follow these steps carefully. And before we start, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. In that menu, make sure you clear both cookies and cache. These files can become outdated or corrupted, and that often triggers loading errors like this one on x.com. Once you've selected the correct options, clear the data completely. After that, go to your browser extensions, click the extensions icon, then look for your ad blocker. Turn off the ad blocker and refresh x.com. Sometimes ad blockers can block scripts or login requests that X needs in order to load properly, which can cause the 400 error to appear. If the site still isn't working, the next step is to disable any VPN you have turned on. VPNs can sometimes change your connection in a way that X doesn't like, and that can lead to access errors or request failures. Turn the VPN off, then reload the page and test x.com again. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the problem right away. Clear the cookies and cache, disable the ad blocker, and turn off the VPN if you're using one. That's the fastest way to troubleshoot the x.com or Twitter error 400. If this video helped, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.